Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review and a quick breakdown about these two, social media tools platform, which is Spring and Later. So let's get started with a quick breakdown. Spring is a robust enterprise-level social media management platform designed for large teams and global brands that needs omni-channel customer engagement and social listening together with the powerful analytics. It's also ideal for Fortune 500 companies with a complex workflow. I'm talking about Later on the other side is a contrast in is also visually focused, users-friendly scheduling tools first by favored by creators, small business, and marketing teams managing Instagram, TikTok, and a Pinterest content. It simplifies planning and scheduling together with analytics for brands focused on visual storytellings. I'm talking about what these two platforms are best for. So starting with Spring. Spring is best for enterprise marketers and agencies, together with the customer support teams. And talking with about Later is best for creators, influencers with small brands and visual marketers. And this two platform has their different pricing plans. Starting with the Spring. Spring has a custom pricing plan which is typically around 299 plus per month, and also has no and there's no free trial at all, no free trial, not publicly listed. And also Later has a pricing plan available which is paid from $25 per month, and free price there's a free plan, a free trial which is on premium plan as well. And here's a viral conclusion. Spring. You can simply go for Spring if you are a global brand or agencies needing a comprehensive social media governance, customer experience tools, and AI insight at scale. So it's an enterprise powerhouse built for large ecosystem. I simply go with Later if you are a small business creators or a social first brand looking for simplicity, affordability, and the visual content scheduling, especially on Instagram or TikTok.